Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be doing another new chapter, that is chapter 9. It is based on wildlife and we'll be studying about various animals and birds and fish population in our country. Okay, moving on. Okay, when we say wildlife basically refers to the animal as well as the birds, fish, as well as the microorganisms, insects, all present in an ecosystem. Okay, that is termed as wildlife. All animal life, as well as the birds population, as well as the microorganisms, insects, fish, all come under wildlife. Okay, and they can be termed as wildlife as well. Okay, when we look in India, India has a large variety of flora. Okay, has a large variety of flora and fauna. Okay, when we say flora, it means the plant community. Okay, it comprises of trees, flowers. Okay, all the plants will come under flora. And when we say fauna, all the animal population will come under fauna. Okay, so in India we have around 89,000 animal species present in our country. Okay, it may be in terms of tiger, elephant, or maybe monkeys. Okay, we have different variety of animals which can be found in our country. Okay, and also India's birds population. Okay, India has a bird species of about 1,200 bird species are present in India. Okay, we can't just find one variety of bird, but we can find around 1,200 species of bird in our country. Okay, which comprises 13% of the world's count. Okay, when we look into the birds population all around the world, okay, India contributes 13% of it. Okay, and also we have the aquatic animals. Okay, in terms of fish, okay, we have around 2,500 varieties of fish present in our waters. Okay, in our country's water. Okay, in terms of river, lakes as well as seas. Okay, and it contributes 12% to the world's fish population. Okay, not in India but to the world's total count. Okay, India contributes 12% with its rare exotic fishes. Okay, and next we have the amphibians, okay, and reptiles. In terms of we will see in terms of lizards, frogs. Okay, they comprise, in India, okay, they comprise between 5%. Okay, in India they have around 5% of amphibians and reptile population. Okay, and it contributes 8% to the world's count. Okay, the total number in the world's count can be 8%. Moving on, okay, we have the elephants, okay, which are very huge and majestic creatures, okay, which are found in India as well. And these animals, okay, live in the regions such as Assam. Okay, we will even find in Karnataka and Kerala as well. Okay, but when we look into the Indian elephants compared to that of the African elephants, okay, the Indian elephants are little shorter in height, okay, compared to that of the African elephant, and also it has smaller ears, okay, and their tusks is also small compared to that of the African elephants. Okay, so Assam and West Bengal, okay, these are the two regions which possess a huge variety of swamps and marshlands. Okay, the first picture is the swamps, second is the marshlands. Okay, these areas and localities in Assam and West Bengal comprises mostly of these swamps and marshlands. Okay, which provides home to the one-horned rhino. Okay, which is also on the verge of extinction. Okay, so these areas such as Assam and West Bengal, okay, houses for the rhinos, okay, one-horned rhinos, okay. And moving on, you have the Thar Desert in India, okay, which is located in Rajasthan. The Thar Desert, in the run of Kutch, okay, you will find camels, okay, you will find camels, as well as you will find wild ass, okay. Wild ass is an animal which has a feature of a donkey, okay, but it is not a donkey, okay, so it looks like a donkey. And next, okay, here again in India we will find a variety of monkeys, okay. We will not just find one type of monkeys, but we will find different species of monkeys, as well as we will find the gazelle, okay, which is like a deer, which is also found in India. And also we will find the chow sinha, okay, which is a type of a deer, okay, which has 4 horns, okay. And next, also in India we will find such as nilgai, okay. These are very rare animals which can be found in India. And next we will also find the Indian bison, which is also known as the mithun in Nagaland. So India, okay, India, like no other countries, okay, it is very unique, okay, because here both tiger and lion, they flourish together, they live together in one environmental settings, okay, which is not found in any other regions, okay. You will find in some areas you will find lions, and in some areas you will find tigers, okay, but you will never see them together living in an ecosystem together, okay. But in India we can find that both tiger and lion, okay, they both live in a natural setting, living together, okay, coexisting with one another, okay. You will find both the lion and tiger, okay. And moving on, in Gujarat, that is in the Gir forest or the Gir natural national park, okay, you will find a huge number of lions, okay. This is the home for the lions, okay. So in the Gir forest, a huge variety of lion population will be visible, okay, and it is in Gujarat, okay. And for tigers, you will find mostly in the regions of Madhya Pradesh, okay. You will find in the place of Madhya Pradesh in the Sundarbans in West Bengal, and also you will find in the Himachal Pradesh or the Himalayan regions, okay. So the tiger can be found in the Himalayan regions, West Bengal, that is in the Sundarbans, and next is the Madhya Pradesh region. Okay, the Himalayas possess a very harsh weather condition, okay, because of its natural setting, okay. And even though the temperature is in this moment, okay, it provides shelter, as well as it provides a home for the animals, okay. So in the regions of Ladakh, okay, in its high freezing location, okay, in its high altitude, it homes to a number of animal species, okay. We can look one by one, okay. So you will also find the yak, okay, in the regions of Ladakh. You will find wild, shaggy horned wild ox, okay. And you will also find the Tibetan antelope, okay. It is like a deer, okay, which will be found in the Ladakh region. You also have the beryl, and you will also find animals such as the wild sheep and the kyang, okay. Kyang is also has the feature like a donkey, okay, which lives in the wild, okay. So you will find these varieties of animals in the Ladakh region, okay, where it is very cold. And moving on, okay, you will also find such as the ibex in India, okay. And you will also find bears and the snow leopard in this region, okay. In this region of Ladakh and the Himalayan regions, you will find such as the ibex, bear, snow leopard, and very rare red pandas are also found in this kind of region. Okay, moving on, rivers, lakes, and the coastal regions provide shelter as well as home to a variety of fish species. Okay, moving on, you will find turtles. Okay, you will find turtles, crocodiles. Okay, you will find turtles, crocodiles, and also you will find gharials. Okay, gharials, which is also a form of crocodile only, from the crocodile family, but it has a very sharp pointed mouth. Okay, and the last, okay, that is the Plantasia gangetica. It is found in the Gangas and Brahmaputra. Okay, this type of dolphin, okay, can be found in the river of Ganga and Brahmaputra. Moving on, okay, India also has a varied bird population, and we can find birds such as peacock, okay, and peasan, okay, and we can also find ducks, the parakeets, cranes, okay, and pigeons, okay, in the region. And we also have a large variety of bird population, but these are some of the birds which have been pointed out, so that would be the thing. Okay, moving on, India is a very biodiverse country, okay, where everything flourish, okay, and every animal as well as plants play a crucial role, okay, and medicinal plants can also be found in this region. Okay, in our country, medicinal plants can be found at large, which are very useful for human beings, and also this environment and this ecosystem in our country provides shelter to our plants as well as give food to the plants. Okay, and in return, plants those eat grasses. Okay, they provide the forest with manure. Okay, and insects play a crucial role in this region as well, because they help in the pollination of plants. Okay, and also it leads to the growth of wild fruits. Okay, and also provide the forest with nutrition. Okay, so every bits and pieces, okay, of the animal kingdom, the bird kingdom, the insect kingdom, they all provide something to our forest. Okay, hence what we have to do now is we just have to conserve, okay, and protect our environment from exploitation, okay, from people exploiting these areas, encroaching these areas, and destroying the homes of wild animals as well as the green cover of our country. Okay, so in India we have so in this biodiverse environment, okay, what is happening is because of human interference, because of human involvement, okay, we have, you know, led to the extinction of many species of plants. Okay, and now about 1,300 plant species, okay, which are here present in our country, are endangered. Okay, and also 20 species have already been extinct. Okay, and even the animal species, the bird species, fish, as well as the insects, okay, all are under threat because of human interference and human activity. Okay, the major cause of this threat in our country is because of poaching. Okay, when we say poaching, it means illegally killing of wild animals for their benefit, in terms of cutting their horn and using as ornaments. Okay, or maybe killing the tiger, getting the skin, okay, and using it for medicinal values, or maybe selling the skin. Okay, and also number 2 would be because of industrial waste and chemicals, use of chemical fertilizers. It destroys the ecosystem. Okay, these chemicals and these factory industrial waste, okay, provide, you know, problems to the animal kingdom as well as for the aquatic animals as well. And next is deforestation. Because of human interference, because of human, you know, trying to intervene and expand their territory, we are cutting down half of the wild animals' homes. Okay, so when we try to cut more trees, we are destroying the homes of the wild animals. Okay, with this, okay, we come to the end of this class. Okay, we will continue with the rest of the class. We will be learning about conservation as well as for protection and then of animals and wildlife in our coming classes. I will just give some questions, okay, here in this video. Please check out the questions and write it and send me in my contact. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.